everyone, welcome to another video. It's Quality Tech, and today we want to do a little bit social engineering, and we want to gather some information about the specific people, engineers that we want to do penetration test for them. Of course, you need a permission to do penetration test. Don't do that without a permission. And there is a small Python tool called Sherlock, and with that we can find the social media of that person, of that of that person in the internet. So let's get started. I will put the GitHub link in the description of this video, so you can come here and install this tool. So it's so simple and very easy to install these. It's just these 3 lines and after that you will have it on your system. Let's go to my system. I already installed it, and now I want to just show you how it works. Just so here you can see the help of this tool, and you can read and you will know more about this. But if you want to just see how it works, first we will, it's Python code, so you should use Python, and then Sherlock, and then timeout 1. I just put it 1 because I need to I want to be faster, and then the user. For example, Nahamsek is one of the famous and well-known hackers, so I just put his name here, so you can put whoever you want. I mean, but it should be the username. And then let's see here. As you can see, it's so fast, so that's why that's because of the timeout 1. And you can see it's kind of fast. And here they are all social media of Nahamsek, and here this is the this is the hacker one profile. So let's go and see. Oh, sorry, it didn't copy. Here I'm sick. Yeah, you can see it's him, and also there are the other social media of him. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and like the video. Have a nice day.